Today we're going to be doing a video of all the fans in my bedroom running on all speeds. Just because I feel like it. And I have 9 fans on my display. And I'm going through each one by one. I think I'm going to do the order of the dates I got them, or the dates I've owned them, from the longest ago to the most recent. So I'm starting with the fan that was installed in here longest ago, like this fan right here in the middle, the Howell Caratuk River, which got installed in this room on August 23rd, 2022. But the light I put on it, I can try let's put the light on. Got 3 different settings. So it's like really bright. But like medium brightness and low brightness, but let's keep it off. Okay, next I'm gonna do a fan over here. This is a Weiye Mini fan that I got for Christmas in 2022. And it's a 1-speed fan, so nothing in other speeds. So here in the bathroom is an unbranded socket, not socket fan, but it's an unbranded fan. But I got this fan also for Christmas in 2022, slightly later. And this is a 4-speed fan. Put it on low. And over here, it's a white Howell socket fan that I got in December of 2023. I have more fans in storage, so just don't have up in this room. And a few months later, after that, when I got this white Howell, not white, the black Howell socket fan in May 2024. Next, here above the bed is a bestmonument mini fan that I got on January 1st, not January 1st, January 3rd of 2025. And above my projector is a FUSSION Socket Fan that I got in April of 2025. Those got 6 speeds. So here, above my lamp, is a Delypuis Socket Fan with a spotlight. The first spotlight socket fan on YouTube. A socket fan with a spotlight. And last but not least, the fan that I got most recently is a Weiye charger socket fan that I got like a few days ago, brand new. Here's everything running on low. Of course, some fans have more than 3 speeds. Like the only two fans on the display that has more than 3 speeds, or that one and that one. The rest have 3 speeds, like just 3 speeds like normal, but they only has 1 speed. So all the rest have, most of the fans of course have 3 speeds, but the one there has 4 speeds, and that one has 6 speeds. So the medium speed is going to be quite long because some fans don't have 3 speeds. Everything medium. Remote signal getting weaker and weaker. I'll show you that first because the remote to this fan interacts with this fan for some reason. The weak charge. Okay, fans like the Fusion in the bathroom fan. I put it on speed 2, and the bathroom fan on speed 2 as well. Right. So the medium speed would be quite long. I think it's the Fusion speed 3 now. Okay. 4. No, this is not speed. B3 is like it's middle speed, but this fan doesn't have a middle speed. So I could put it on speed 3. And this is like a high medium. Speed 2 is like a low medium. Let's see, 4. It's like this is like one of the highest speeds now. 5. We're getting to its high territory. Here we go. This is like a medium high. Now for high speed for the rest of the fan. 6, which is high speed. Or like just speed for that one. And 4 for this one. Now both this fan and this fan both on the highest speed. Now I'm gonna put the rest on the highest speeds. Okay. Now for an airflow test. me. The fan and the air from this fan is off for some reason. I guess the other fans are just moving the air around. Like this on top though. But no, it's not on reverse. You see, it's on downdraft. So I don't know why the air is coming out the top. I guess because the other fan like moving the air around. Okay, I'll go ahead and switch them off and do a spin down cut of each fan in the building individually because I can't switch them all off at the same time. So here's this one. Another two Howell those off at the same time. Great, this came on. I think I can just push off with the switch right here. Ignore the noise. That's mowing the lawn outside. Pull that down. Now we're waiting for this one. No, this can go too long. We'll wait for this. I'll just stop it like this. Okay. And thanks for watching.